Hi everyone, Vineet here. So in this tutorial we'll be going through a program of swapping two strings without using third variable. So it's very easy program guys, it's only few lines of logic. So let's get started with program. Private static, we are using void here because whatever value we will be extracting and we will be printing that inside this method only. So that's why we are using void here, and our method name will be swap. So we'll be passing here two parameters, one is s1 and another one is s2 of string type. So let's use here input as s1 is hello and s2 is world. So based on these inputs of s1 and s2, so we'll be extracting value and swap to each other. So let's write first step of this method. That would be s1 dot concat of s2. So we are concatenating both of strings and storing into s1. Sorry, so it will be hello world. So it will be something like this, and the another step will be we will be extracting this s1 value, that is hello, and from s1 string, and we'll store that into s2. So let's do that. s1 dot substring, will be using here substring method of string class, and you can see we have here overloaded method. One is with single parameter and another one is two parameter. So you can use here depend upon your requirement. So I'm using here two parameter substring method. So our first start index will be 0 and the second or end index will be s1 dot length minus s2 dot length. So our s1 length is 2 4 5, yeah, s1 length is 5 and s2 length is also 5. So we are asking this substring method that you have to extract value from 0 index from here to 10 minus 5 will be 5. So let's give index here as well, so that it will give idea, it will give you better clarity. 1 2 3 4, it should be 5 and the last index will be 10. So we have length as this s1 length as 10, and we are subtracting 10 from 5 from 10. So this will be 0 to 10, sorry, 0 to 5. So we are extracting value from 0 index, that is h, from 0 1 2 3, sorry, this start from 0 and here we have up to 9. So this line is extracting value from 0 to 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 up to here. And one more thing, you know that substring method will exclude last index value, that is w. So it will extract up to w, but it will not consider last index value. So we will be getting value as hello. and we'll be storing the same into s2 string. So another step will be, we will be extracting this s2 value from the latest s1 string. So let's do that. S1 dot substring. Now we have to use here single parameter substring method, because we will be passing here only the start index. So if we pass start index and not pass the end index, so it will start extracting from that start index up to the last index, index of the same string. So here we are passing s2 dot length. So s2 length is 1 2 3 4 5. So we are start extracting from 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. See, 5 is at here w. So it will start extracting from here till last index of this s1 string. So we will be getting here world, 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 and we are storing this same into s1. So we have done with this small logic. Now let's pass one message here. After swap s1, and here it will be s2. So let's pass same method before this logic. It will be instead of swap, it will be before. Now let's write main method. Oh, we forgot to pass here g. Now sorry. So let's call this swap method and also appropriate input, that is hello, and another will be world. Now let's run this program and check with output. So you can see here before swap we have input as hello world, and after swap our output will become world hello. So this is working fine, and let's change our input little bit. Hello Java. Sorry. So let's pass it here world. Now let's run this program. So our first string is hello world, sorry, hello Java, and another one is word. So hello Java is swapped with word, and word is swapped with hello Java. So this logic is working fine, guys, and we have done with this video, guys. Stay tuned for another videos. Thank you so much.